home because of probation. It's just a little bullshit. But probation will try to hold you just about their money or whatever. So I already know that. I just said I would just gave him a lawyer, look, 3-4 bank, $2,500. You know, he'll bring you.
You have 1 minute left.
He'll get you in the courtroom for $2,500. You know that ain't shit.
I don't even want that much. One lawyer had told me.
I know.
Yeah. So listen, I might have this son text you my information and stuff. You say you try to have a in the morning.
Yeah, I had a lawyer or whatever lawyer you choose.
I don't have none.
Well, I could just have somebody pull up on their son and bring their son the money. Then you see what I'm saying, or they son, mom or daddy, because you know they probably know something about the shit. So I can just make anybody go get the money. I can make them pull up to the club, get the money from Ken or anything right now. You see what I'm saying? So that ain't no pressure.
Shit, we don't know no lawyer though.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. You know my lawyer.
So
I know mine. I ain't got the number. Hit him.
You
just tell him. He already got my card and everything. He already got my card in his system and shit. So I ain't got the number. Just hit him. Like, go check on this number right here, and you can go check on this name. And
Thank you for using Securus. Goodbye.
Bad point in our community if we are now going to say offering to get someone a lawyer is part of a RICO conspiracy. This is a probation revocation case on supposed non-compliance with community service. I know you haven't heard the whole.
I haven't, sir.
But that's what the recording before we started at 13:30. That's what it's about. Mr. Copeland says, and it basically mirrors what he said on the witness stand. He said, the police had me locked up. These are my words, trumped up charges because my probation officer didn't take out a warrant on me, but the supervisor was asked by the police to take out a warrant on me because of community service hours. I will be getting out on Friday. This is a Wednesday. I'll be getting out on a Friday. And I believe it's a Wednesday. I'll be getting out on Friday when I go to court, but I don't have a lawyer, so it gets continued for me to get a lawyer. So I'm held hostage, basically, by the way the courts are. So Mr. Williams is not part of any of that conversation. He then allegedly gets on the telephone and has a conversation, and that is explained to Mr. Williams as well. I go to court Friday, but I don't have a lawyer. To then say that it's part of a conspiracy to get a lawyer for someone going to court on a probation revocation case, I think is a bridge too far. To say you're going to get a lawyer, I don't have a problem with that. But to say I offered up my lawyer because that is symbolic of a crime, seems to me that if that type of evidence comes in courts, we are all in trouble, because that's what we want people to do. We want people to get lawyers. So I'm objecting to the state's playing that portion. I'm not objecting to the portion that Mr. Williams allegedly is on the phone and is offering to potentially help with a lawyer. I don't have a problem with that. If the state wants to then argue that's somehow part of a conspiracy, I'll argue against it. But to then go further and say, aha, and this is a crime organization and the lawyers are part of the criminal activity, I think that is under 403. It should never be said in any courtroom unless there's proof of it. That lawyers protect criminal parties.